Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of transferring points from your American Express, Amex membership rewards to your Hilton Honors account, ensuring you can maximize the value of your points. Follow these simple steps to make the transfer seamless and rewarding. Step 1. Log into your American Express account. Begin by visiting the American Express website. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Make sure you have sufficient membership rewards points available for transfer. Driver? Step 2. Navigate to the Rewards section. Once logged in, look for the Rewards or Membership Rewards tab on the homepage. Click on this tab to access your points overview and available transfer options. Step 3. Choose the points transfer option. In the Rewards section, locate the Transfer Points or Transfer to Travel Partners option. Click this link to view a list of available airline and hotel partners. Step 4. Select Hilton Honors. From the list of partners, scroll down to find Hilton Honors. Click on it to proceed with the transfer process. Ensure you read any notes about the transfer ratio and any applicable fees. Step 5. Enter your Hilton Honors information. You will be prompted to enter your Hilton Honors account details. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one on the Hilton website. Make sure that the information you provide matches the details associated with your Hilton Honors account. Step 6. Confirm the transfer amount. Next, choose how many membership rewards points you want to transfer to your Hilton Honors account. Keep in mind that transfers typically occur at a specified ratio, generally 1.2. So calculate accordingly to determine how many points you'll receive. Step 7. Review and confirm the transfer. Before finalizing the transfer, carefully review the details on the confirmation page. This includes your selected transfer amount, the Hilton Honors account number, and the expected points to be credited. If everything looks correct, click the Confirm button to initiate the transfer. Step 8. Check your Hilton Honors account. After completing the transfer, log into your Hilton Honors account to verify that the points have been credited. Transfers usually process almost instantly, but it can take a few hours in some cases. Step 9. Utilize your Hilton Honors points. Now that your points are in your Hilton Honors account, you can use them to book stays at a variety of Hilton properties around the world. Check out Hilton's website to explore potential rewards and book your next stay. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on maximizing your travel rewards. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Happy travels!